Okay, today we want to program an Xhorse Universal XN key, which has the blue bag, for a Fiat 500L using Autel IM608 and the programmer. So the process is to generate the key. I'm gonna use Xhorse mini key tool, and then generate a dealer key using the programmer for Autel IM608, and then program the key to the vehicle. So we're gonna start with generating the key. So we turn the device on. It's a XN key that needs a battery in it to be generated because it's a wireless key. So we put the battery inside, and as you see, it's working, all the buttons. So we put the key inside mini key tool, just like this. And then going to Xhorse app, searching for the key. So it's a Fiat. Came to the wrong place, sorry. Vehicle remote, Fiat. Searching for 500L. 500L plus 2016, but it's 2012, so this one, Fiat 500L 2012 to 2016. Okay, and generate. That's it. So now the key is ready to be programmed to the vehicle. So I just put the chip back inside the key. Okay, it's working. The light is flashing. By the way, I cut the blade key already and placed it in here. Just didn't put the pin all the way in, just in case. So we start with our immobilizer. Finding Fiat. Manual selection. It was made in North America, and it's a 500L 2012 to 14 blade key. Okay, please turn the ignition on, and we need Wi-Fi, so we are connected to Wi-Fi. It's not a problem, we just turn the ignition on. To program a key to a Fiat, we need all programmed keys available, because we need to reprogram everything again. So okay, Okay, go through emo status scan. Ignition is on and engine is off. Okay. Okay, we're good to go now. So, add a key. So here it says all keys that can start the vehicle must be learned. Unlearned keys will be scrapped and cannot be learned later. New keys to be learned must be dealer keys. Okay, so during key learning, an operation of key changing must be completed within 5 seconds. Okay, so we did not make a dealer key yet. We go to emo learning, and then I don't know which one of these this vehicle is, but we will try make dealer key. Okay, so first we need to read immobilizer data. It will take a while to read immobilizer data, and then using immobilizer data we can make a dealer key. Okay, reading immobilizer data is complete now. So we got the password. Okay. I'm gonna save this data with a name that I know already. Fiat 500L. Okay, now we are going back to make dealer key. There we go. Connect the programmer and place the blank key into the programmer. So because of the blade key I can't put it there properly, so I take the chip out just like this, and then okay. So it's generating the dealer key, the light is flashing. Successfully generated. Okay, do you want to continue to make dealer key? Yes. Okay, so we already generated the key. No. So we already have here a generated key, dealer key. So put it back. So now we're going back to key learning to add a key. So we already read the pin code, but we can try it again. Should try which one of these files are the immobilizer that we have. Turn off the ignition. It's not a smart key. Okay. Password. Original key. Okay. Turn the ignition on and off repeatedly to acquire data. So we went through the read immobilizer password. Okay. Turn ignition on and press OK. We did. It's the same password that we found in Immo Data Learning. So I'll just take a photo. Okay. Got the password. Going back to add key. Okay. During key learning, an operation of key changing must be completed within 5 seconds. Insert the key to be learned and turn the ignition on. So we just turn the ignition off and on again with the same key. It's an original key. Okay. This is the same password, comes here automatically. Learning successful. Do you want to learn the next key? Yes. Remove the current key and insert next key. This is the first key. This is the next original key. Switch the ignition on. Okay. Learning successful. Yes. Same thing. Take these. I'll put them here. And the next key. Put it in. Turn the ignition on. Yes. Learning successful. Do you want to learn the next key? No. Switch ignition off. It's off. Switch ignition on. Okay. 3 keys. Okay. So let's try and see if all the keys that we programmed are working. I'm going to start with the 2 original keys. This one is working. It's working. This one doesn't work. Probably we have to relearn this one. And this is the new key. It's also working. Let's see if all of them turn the vehicle on. It's the Xhorse key that we just programmed. Turns the vehicle on. And the remote function works. This one was the original key. Turns the engine on, and remote function works. This one is also another original key. Turns engine on, but the remove function doesn't work. Oh, it's working right now. Sometimes they just take a few minutes or so. Okay, that's it. So this is how we program an Xhorse universal key to a European car using an Autel programmer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Until the next video.